Hey guys, I'm gonna do a sneezing challenge. Um, my eyes are so watery today, so let's get started. And I'm using these instead of paper, even though I did before it. Okay. Let's just get started. Oh, close. See, guys, this eye is like so watery, and I need to um go and clean my fingers. So let's go in the bathroom. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some paper so I can take over there.
I'm gonna do a video. Hi guys, today I'm gonna do the sneezing challenge.
She's so weird.
Let's get started.
And let's just come to the
I wanna do it. I'm going to get on.
could you bring some for me more?
How many?
I don't know.
I'm
Just
just gonna bring 11.
okay. Okay. Right. Oh my god, this is sealed.
I got 17.
Alright guys, I think I'm done because like you could have that. I'm not doing it no more. Make sure to try to go and check her channel, my sister's channel here. I don't know what it's called. Can I really check? Just quick.
No, that was my first video.
First video. Alright guys, and don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up, a subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll put the my sister's name channel on the on the description. So love you. Bye.